Alright, we're going to try to do another feed video here real quick. People have been asking, I don't know if you can see, he's already turning looking for me. In a perfect world, you hold them like this, tap them a couple times, they get angry and actually bite. Put your hand underneath them because they're going to spit. Once they spit, dip it in water, try again, and hopefully the water makes them think to swallow. And I'm actually tapping him in the face, and then when he kind of S's up, I'm hitting the side of his body, which seems to be what triggers this individual. They're all individualistic. Some don't even respond to this, but this guy seems like he's gonna. And if you notice, my left hand's never loosen my grip on the animal. I'm holding it firmly, but not so tightly as to injure it. And we're just trying to get it to where it doesn't feel like it has its ability to escape. There is no flight option, so all it has is the fight option. And then it bites, grabs, and eats, is the theory, which is working right now. It's been a long day, so I'm probably repeating myself. But like I said, if they spit, dip it in their water, and that seems to trigger them to swallow for us, which is awesome. But this shouldn't take that long if you only have a pair of animals. I got about 20, 25 right now to feed, and I'll get through them within a half hour to 45 minutes. I do give them the food item beforehand, so it's in their cage with them, just on the off chance they actually will eat it. Got a little tiny bit of stuck shed on his tail I need to get off real quick. But yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up, or if you want to try your hand at these and pick a pair up, definitely hit me up. Thank you.